Gateway GoBack is a breakthrough program. It allows you to reset your PC if you ever have a problem. This short video will help you use it. GoBack can help you in many situations, such as you install software or make a change to your PC and now it doesn't work the same. Or you start up your PC and Windows will not run. Or you accidentally deleted something and you really wish you could get it back. GoBack keeps track of everything that happens, just in case you want to go back to the way things were before you had a problem. Suppose you install a game on your PC, and then the screen looks wrong, and the sound doesn't work. Your computer is probably fine, but the sound and video software may have been changed or erased. Time to use GoBack. First, open GoBack. Click the Revert My Entire Hard Disk button. You will see a window with a calendar of days that you can go back to on your PC. Select the day just before you had your problem. Don't go back further than necessary. After you select a day to go back to, click the Revert Drive button, then follow the directions. GoBack will restart your PC and confirm that you want to revert. It tells you when it is done and restarts your PC one more time. Check to see whether your problem is gone. If it isn't, start GoBack again and choose an earlier time to go back to. But what if your PC doesn't start up normally or won't run? Just restart your PC. Press the space bar when you see the GoBack message box appear. Click the Revert Drive button and choose how far back to reset your PC. Then click Yes. Remember, you can go back to an earlier time if the problem is not fixed on the first try. You can also use GoBack to retrieve deleted or old files. Even if you catch a nasty virus on your PC, just go back to before you caught it and you should be fine. We hope you won't need this tool very often, but if you do need help, Gateway GoBack is the insurance policy for your PC.